Welcome to my channel. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, so what is the value of 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube plus 1 by a plus b whole cube plus 1 by b plus c whole cube plus 1 by c plus a whole cube? We know that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So a plus b is equal to minus c. A b plus c is equal to minus a, and c plus a is equal to minus b. So we put the value in the equation. One by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube plus 1 by, we put the value a plus b is equal to minus c. In the place of a plus b, we put value minus c whole cube. B plus c is equal to minus a. So we put the value minus a in the place of b plus c and whole cube, and a plus c is equal to minus b. So 1 by minus b whole cube. So a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube. 1 by minus c whole cube is equal to minus 1 by c cube. And 1 by minus a whole cube is equal to minus 1 by a cube plus 1 by minus b whole cube is equal to 1 by minus b minus 1 by b whole cube. So 1 by a cube minus 1 by a cube, 1 by b cube and minus 1 by b cube, and so the final value is 0.